Spotify's greed is finally backfiring. Getting mentioned in the Epstein files wasn't their only bad news this year. Everyone is now leaving the platform. It makes sense when you see them lying about their mission. They claim to focus on fairly compensating artists, but their CEO's origin story is fake, and there are even allegations of money laundering. The final nail in the coffin? Their plan to replace real artists with AI-generated ones, while using AI algorithms to push mass-produced garbage and raise prices endlessly. Why are they doing this? Spotify was never truly a music company. Their early patents were about distributing films, TV, pictures, dominating all entertainment. They settled on music as the easiest target. Daniel Ek and his co-founder weren't music lovers. Ek's childhood guitar story is exaggerated. He was always a businessman. At 13, he was already building and selling websites, earning more than his teachers. He made his first real money selling Advertigo at 23. Sweden's tech boom and the Pirate Bay showed people wanted convenience above all, even risking piracy. Record labels were losing massively to file sharing. Ek saw the opportunity, become the legal middleman. With a loan from Martin Lorentzen, he built Spotify to solve convenience while getting labels on board. Early on, he even pirated music to demo it. The goal? Merge piracy's ease with legality and ad revenue. Labels, desperate against piracy, gave Spotify huge equity and royalties deals. Spotify grew fast, helping kill off pure piracy sites like the Pirate Bay. But it shifted losses onto artists. Swedish artist Magnus Uggla called Spotify payouts pathetic back in 2009, like a busker's daily earnings in months. Spotify keeps artist revenue low compared to others. They use an opaque pool system where artists compete for shares. They raise the payout threshold to 1,000 streams. Under the radar, they funded ghost artists, cheap, anonymous freelancers making generic music for playlists, so Spotify pays almost no royalties to real creators. This started around 2016 to 2017, with fake artists in chill playlists linked to stock music companies like Epidemic Sound. Spotify denied it at first, but ghost tracks exploded, billions of streams by 2022. Playlists are now key to retention, but they hurt creativity. Artists make short, formulaic songs to fit algorithms. Spotify switched to AI playlists and discovery mode, lower royalties for algorithmic priority. In short, Spotify is an advertising company using music to sell ads and cut costs. They're pushing AI to eliminate real artist payouts entirely. That's why people are leaving in masses.